Alrighty, guys, what's up? So we are planning a New Year's ride. Hopefully, it'll be a pretty good turnout, and we'll have a good time and get some good footage. So these are like the worst holes in Holopal, and they're actually kind of towards the front. I call these like the bad powerline mud holes. They're just super goopy, and you can get just about anything stuck here. And we're planning on meeting up here on the 31st around noon. And by we, I mean I think Tommy Farmer's in on this, and Michael Clark's going to be there. This Monster X3. We actually got that X3 stuck right here last time, and I'm sure we'll have a ton of other people. If you're interested in coming, by the way, comment below so we can have an idea, kind of like a head count. If you're trying to find this spot and you're not familiar, we're going to meet up right here. I'm going to park my truck out here. I'll have the Pioneer on the Aztecs, and I'm going to bring my Wolverine out there too. But here's the GPS coordinates to get there, and I'll also post a link that looks like this in the description of the video. You literally just click that link or copy it and paste it in Google Maps, and you can navigate right there. Google Maps works great at Holopal if you haven't tried it yet. It's by far the best way to get back to camp if you're wasted. So yeah, it'll be a good time. I'll drink 25 White Claws and break some stuff. After we hit these holes, we'll work our way down the power lines, hit these holes, and then I want to hit these holes before Horseshoe Pond. There's Horseshoe Lake. But these holes before it are super nasty right now. So if the Pioneer can survive all of that, it'll be a great shakedown for the portals and everything, and I'll definitely have some really good footage. But I'll bring the drones out and all kinds of stuff, so we'll get a ton of footage, everybody messing around these holes. These holes over here are actually pretty good too. I haven't done them in a few years, but we need to check those out. So anyways, that's the plan. If you don't know how to get here, you don't use Google Maps, it's pretty simple. Here's the parking lot, Holopal Groves Road. We call it Big Sandy. Come up here, veer left a little bit, and just go to the left of, or the south of all of these water holes. These are like those watery holes right by the power lines. And then these bad holes are right back here. That's main trail right up here. So there's the power lines, and there's main trail. So everyone should be able to find it from that. Here's a sample of what that mud looks like. So this was like a couple weeks ago. We got the X3 stuck out there. And if you can get this sucker stuck, you can probably get anything stuck. I think the shirt might even sink here. There's just really no bottom to it. It's just super soft floating grass mats with this beautiful black mud. Super fun stuff. This X3 made it through here with a totally shattered ball joint. So he's got it all fixed up with some ball joint release, so it's ready to do it again.
It's going to get balled up.
So yeah, that's one of the holes we'll hit. And yeah, it'll be a good time. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in coming in the comments below, if you have any questions. Again, December 31st at noon is the current time. We're thinking if there's any updates to that, I'll put a comment and a update in the description of this video. Also look in the description for the GPS link to find the spot. All right, guys, see you then.